Hello friends, welcome to the Nifty and Bank Nifty daily post-market technical analysis. So though this show is intended as a post-market technical analysis, I am doing this as a pre-market because I missed it yesterday night. So okay, let us get into the analysis without any further ado. So on 15th March, Nifty made yet another bearish move, and we can see that uh, we can see that Nifty opened above the previous open. That is the open of 14th March. Nifty opened slightly above, and it tried to go up. But as I said, there is considerable resistance around 17,180, and because Nifty opened below that, it is not able to punch through that resistance, and that resistance saw created a selling pressure. Nifty fell, so it opened, it fell, it broke the previous close also, it created a new low. Now this is the new low for this trend, and as you can see, I have been talking about this falling support line, falling support trend line. The support is continuously falling down, and every time Nifty hit here, we had seen that index took support, did some consolidation, small bounce, and again it came to break that level. So this was a level that got broken. After it came down, it went up and came down, and it got broken with a gap down here. So this was the level that got broken after some strong consolidation, and it got broken with a long bearish candle. And similarly, this was the level that got broken again after some strong consolidation, and the candle this time was also a big bearish move. So given this previous history, we can expect the same kind of stepped move from Nifty. Of course, we are only expecting the index to do this, but index can go against the expectations. It can still crash down on breaking this support. That can happen. If that happens, or when that happens, we will know that index is very bearish, and then we will invalidate this support line. But until that happens, this support line is still standing. And at this point, we can expect some kind of bounce to play and give a reversal. And if Nifty, let us say, again rises up, it may find some support somewhere here. It may start falling, do some consolidation about this level, and eventually it might hit the support line somewhere here. Let us say, I think it will do a longer consolidation if it rises up now. So it might hit if that happens, because it will need some time to break the consolidation range. It might do some kind of consolidation above 17,000 and eventually break below 16,700. So this is my analysis, expecting Nifty to do a short bounce now. But if that doesn't happen, and if Nifty breaks below this line, if Nifty opens somewhere here or somewhere here, and it's, let us say, it breaks below this line like this, then we can expect a much more deeper crash. That we will know today. But I believe the higher probability is for a consolidation today or a short bounce. And so that is the overall bigger picture about Nifty. And let us see what the intraday price action tells us. So intraday price action tells, so this is a 1 hour timeline. As you can see, there is very strong resistance at this level, somewhere around below 17,400 and above 17,350. And again we have a if I draw a line from here, we may find another resistance level at 17,500. So, and 17,200 is another significant resistance level. So if we get a bounce here, say like somewhere above 17,950, and if Nifty index go, usually we have to get a bounce here. I am expecting a bounce for the other reason that 17,000 broke without a retest. So now we will index will naturally go and try retest 17,000, and it may go up if it sustains above this level, and if it happens to eventually break. There is one more small resistance here. There is one more small resistance at about 17,000, I think 17,070 or 80 levels. If it breaks above this level, so this 17,200 will be the first significant resistance index has to break. If 17,200 is broken and sustained above, then we may expect the price to move up to 17,400, or maybe between 17,350 to 400. It will again have stiff resistance. So my expectation is that given that today is expiry day, most likely uh, the bears will try to keep the price below 17,100. So I said this level is some minor resistance. Nifty may try to break above this level and may try to hit 17,000 today. If that happens, there could be a small correction down. I'm not saying Nifty cannot go above 17,100 today, but even if it tries to go, there may be some bearish action, because this 17,200 is a very significant resistance, at least till which is closest to the current price level. So if the bullish action today is strong enough for the price to hit 17,200, closer to that, there can be a rejection there today toward the end of the day. It all depends on how the intraday price movement will be. But most likely, if you are bearish and if you want to bet, you should initially take short positions with strike above 17,100. So 17,100 and above strikes are better options for shorting Nifty. However, if 17,100 breaks, or if you get profit with this short strike, then take it. Don't wait for a longer profit, because if the action is bullish, there can be volatility also, up and down swings like that. And the other thing is, if 17,100 breaks, then wait for a further bounce and then short Nifty with 17,200 strike price. Most likely 17,200 will not be broken today. So 17,200 is a safe strike if Nifty crosses 17,100. So, but 17,100 will take time to cross. It will not cross just like that. And if you want to go long, wait for the open and see what the price action is. If Nifty quickly manages to cross 17,000, then 17,000 is a good long strike. However, if Nifty struggles initially, then you can buy long positions with strike of 17,950. Sorry, 16,950. So 16,950 strike is a another very good long strike. So most likely the expiry can be between 17,000 and 17,100. But if the action is bullish, action is strong enough, it can go up above 17,100, but it cannot cross 17,200 in all probability today. So with that, so that is the analysis for Nifty. Let us move on to Bank Nifty now. Okay, yeah, so we'll get to Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty as such, uh, even like just like Nifty, Bank Nifty is also looking very strongly bearish. So it made a indecision candle here on 14th March. So this was the indecision candle, and on 15th, that is yesterday, we see a very bearish move in Nifty, and Nifty sorry, in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty made a new low, and this low is coming below 17,200. All this indicate very strong bearishness in Bank Nifty, and if any bounce you get here, any decent bounce, you should sell off. However, wait for that bounce. So because as you can see right now, price is at this level in the previous chart, and we can see strong, some good decent consolidation that happened here to break above this price level. So this consolidation will act as support now for Bank Nifty. Because the Bank Nifty had a steep fall now, it may not have enough juice left to break this consolidation right now at this point. So you can expect uh, some decent bounce that should happen either today or tomorrow, but most likely it may happen today, given that this is an expiry session and there would be some kind of fighting between bears and bulls. So what can happen, or how far can Bank Nifty reach, that we have to see. So most likely this we will so okay, this thing is clear, right? That at this point, if you have short positions in Bank Nifty and if you find profit in that, without a doubt, take the profit. Wait for further price action, because Bank Nifty has to fall below this level of 38,500 for further down move correction. But until then, there is strong support and Bank Nifty may bounce here. That's why take profits if you have shorts, and if you want to really go long with small positions. If you find a decent low, say like 39,000 or something like that, and but you remember, you have to, if you're taking long positions right away, you may have to wait for a couple of weeks if the price action goes negative for the longs to become profitable. So keep that risk in mind. So if you had taken long positions, take small long positions, and then wait for the price to rise, or wait for the index to go up, or wait for your positions to come into profit, and then add the long positions carefully and trail the stop loss. So looking at the, I'm sorry, looking at the intraday price action, 1 hour, we'll go to 1 hour level. So if we see a bounce now, the first initial resistance will be 39,200. Price has to go above this. So if the price goes above and takes support, we can see that this candle is the last 1 hour candle of previous day, not this one. This one is a strong resistance. It has to go above this candle, and if that happens, this level of 39,500 will be the first and next resistance for the day. So most likely this will be a strong level to cross during the intraday. If Bank Nifty manages to break above this, then we can expect, we'll have to zoom out a bit. Okay. So next strong resistance will be this level, which is coming at 39,800. So if Bank Nifty is going, these are the resistance levels for the day. So if 39,600 500 crosses, you can definitely sell shorts at 39,800 or like that to get profit. But until then, you can hold you can take the shorts of 39,600 like that, sell them or basically book profits when you have, because there can be volatility if the price is going up. And if you want to go long, like I said, take long positions of 39,000 or something like that and add up past the price also. So with that, I conclude the analysis for today, and today is going to be an expiry day. I hope everyone will have good trades today. And sorry, this is the, let me clear this. Okay, so this is the conclusion of the analysis. So the support for Bank Nifty is at 38,900 and below, and the resistance is strong resistance is at 39,700 above. That's why I said that you can sell resistance at you can sell Bank Nifty for strikes of 39,600 like that. But if that happens to be broken, you have to be a little careful. Um, for Nifty, 16,940 and below is the support, and resistance is at 17,120 and above. So you can initially you can short strikes of 17,100, and if you happen to have profits, without a doubt, take the profits. And the observation is that we are expecting a bounce in both Nifty and Bank Nifty now, given that they have been oversold and they're above support. So let us see what happens today in the session for the 16th March, that is Thursday, and Thursday is going to be weekly expiry. So I hope everyone will have good trade today. Manage your risk well, manage your positions well, and we'll meet again with the analysis after the market. Thank you.